everyone, I have here it's a Xerox 6027 and there's a paper jam that is stuck in here, not in the back. So I'm going to show you how I remove it. Hey everybody, I got here is a Xerox WorkCentre 6027 and there's a paper jam right there. And the only way you can take it out is to remove pretty much the cover. But today I'm gonna try it with just let's try something with a metal, an L-shaped metal hook to see if I can remove the paper in there without damaging anything. Let's see. There's the paper right there. Let's see. It's moving. There you go. This needle nose plier is doing a good job. I'm trying not to damage anything else. So I can use my hands now. Yeah. Trying to get everything out slowly. So I can grab the whole paper. Try to do this in one piece. I need to hold this one a little bit higher. Yeah. Ta-da! Got it. I got it. All right, so that's how I remove a paper jam inside there, not on the back. All right, so I'm gonna see. Let's put demo print. Yellow is like out of toner yellow, so you want print. Whack whack. Hate this kind of printer. Why? I just want black and white. I don't need yellow. All right, so I was able to print tabs, and And the only thing the printer head needs cleaning. I have to print it in black and white because the yellow toner is empty, but it prints. I had no jam, so probably need some more cleaning because look at that, see? Hasn't been used for a while. So you got those things there. But it's working. Good. All right, that's it. This is Xerox 6027, and the paper jam was inside here, and I was able to remove it. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hope this helps. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.